Yeah, this is David Diamond. We're talking about merchandising today. Merchandising today. There's nothing on me but a lot of me. Do I have tattoos? You guess right. Anyway, so merchandising, I think, is something we should think about. Yeah? This is the model. Create buzz. Yes, get followership, and then bring up a product, say a t-shirt, a cup, wallpaper, whatever, and then brand that. Put some messaging on those products, and that is merchandising. You can sell as many as 2 million copies, 2 million pieces, 2 million books, 2 million whatever you're selling. The main thing is create a buzz about something. If you're a teacher, start teaching and then sell pencils or sell books with your brand or with some certain message on it. If you're an accountant, start talking about finance, encouraging people about finance, and then saying things, catchy things about fund finance that people will want to use, will always memorize and to be valuable for them. If you're an artist, start singing, selling your songs, and then sell t-shirts, merchandising, brand on cups, brand on what do you call them? Openers, whatever products you find around, that is merchandising. Now you can, through merchandising, monetize a lot of things you do. Maybe an NGO, whatever, maybe a business you're doing, let's say the content creation, the media business. Yeah, you can monetize via merchandising. Think about different products that relates to what you're doing and then start branding. Source for suppliers, source for producers, source for manufacturers. These days they're easy. You can go to Alibaba.com, you can go to AliExpress, you can go to DHgate, you can source for American producers and suppliers. You can also source for local producers and manufacturers as well. Where I find myself in like Nigeria, we have a lot at Aba, Newi, Lagos States, etc. If you're in Ghana, Tema, if you're in South Africa, do your research. If you're in United States of America, do your research. If you're in United Kingdom, do your research. There are a lot of guys out there. You're in Dubai, do the research. Source, you have Google these days, and then look for products that fit what you need and then brand. That way you monetize. I need you to start earning ASAP immediately. Now, where to sell your products? There are a lot of ways. You have social media, you have a website. If you need a website, yeah, it's easy these days through WordPress, through Wix.com, through Shopify, etc. You can get it up, yeah, and then you can create a shop and then link, your wherever you have. Say if you're selling songs, you have Spotify, you have iTunes, etc. Now those songs, those other platforms, or like on blogs that you project or you promote your songs, have a link of that product to that channel. And that way you drive traffic to that point and then you monetize. Look for a payment gateway that you like. Look for good ones around you, a payment processing platform where it's easy for people and it's trustworthy for people, and then have that rolling. So merchandising is what I'm talking about today, and I need you to catch in, right? Merchandising. This is David Diamond TV. We have a lot of merchandise, like my suits, my mugs, yeah, my card holders, my table holders, my phone accessories, branded, and we have motivational quotes always on them that spoil you, that make you act, that make you perform at your peak state. These are the kind of mindset, mentality, and information you should be consuming. So I have that around you. Yeah, you can have the link to the description below. You can have the link to the stores below. Try and purchase and see how this goes. If you need more questions or you have more questions, you need more clarification, send me a mail, like, share, comment. You never know who this is going to help. So thank you for your time. This is David Diamond representing David Diamond TV. Boom!